Welcome to Baz Travels. After driving 14,826 kilometers through 24 states and Washington, D.C., I've seen rocket launches to the Grand Canyon and Hoover Dam. I've explored Route 66, ghost towns, deserts, snow, and beaches on both coasts. From Vegas casinos to Alcatraz, the White House to Hollywood. Join me for a journey of the ordinary and the extraordinary.
Loading destination. Simulation starting in 3, 2, 1. To look around, move your phone or tablet. Click and drag if on a computer or move your head if using a VR headset. Please like and subscribe.
Just behind Union Avenue, Pueblo reveals another side of itself. The alleys and side streets northwest of the main strip are filled with graffiti and street art, and it immediately feels intentional rather than accidental. This isn't random tagging or neglected space. The walls are treated like canvases. Large murals, detailed pieces, and layered work sits comfortably next to each other. Many works are signed, dated, and clearly authored. That alone changes how the space feels. You're not looking at damage, you're looking at contribution. What stands out is how integrated the art is with the area. These alleys aren't hidden or fenced off. They're part of the walking environment. You drift into them naturally from Union Avenue, and the art feels like a continuation of the district rather than a contrast to it. The variety is impressive. Styles shift from wall to wall. Some pieces are graphic and bold, others are detailed, playful, or abstract. There's no single aesthetic being enforced, which gives the area energy without chaos. Permission is written all over the work. The scale, placement, and finish suggest cooperation between artists, building owners, and the city. This feels curated through trust rather than controlled through restriction. That trust creates something rare. The alleys feel safe, expressive, and respected at the same time. People walk through them casually, stop to look, take photos, and move on. The art invites attention without demanding it. What's especially refreshing is how normal it feels. There's no sense that this is being marketed as an attraction. It's simply allowed to exist. The art is part of daily life here, not separated into a designated zone. These spaces also add depth to Union Avenue area. The main street provides structure and activity. The alleys provide personality. Together they make the neighborhood feel layered rather than flat. Street art like this gives the place a voice. It shows confidence in local creativity and a willingness to let artists shape the visual identity of the area. Pueblo doesn't hide this work, it lets it speak. Walking through these alleys feels like discovering something the town is quietly proud of. Not fenced, not framed, just there. Vibrant, signed, and clearly valued. It's one more reason this part of Pueblo feels alive. Their creativity isn't confined to galleries or events, it's built directly into the streets.
Simulation terminated. Please comment, like and subscribe.